Okay, so now what we're going to go ahead and do is just measure an area. So this is assuming that you are all set up, your project is good to go, your rover is benched in, and you've tied into your base station. So in order to measure areas, we just need to switch into line mode, and the way that you get into the line versus say point mode is we hit the icon in the status bar at the bottom. And we're going to do a, so usually it'll come in as a point, but we would just hit a new line here. Then we can do, type in the name for the line. We'll just call this one Area 1. And then of the drag downs, yeah, we're going to want to have an area. So we'll do accept. Then we're just going to go to whatever area we're looking to measure. Just kind of do a little sampling of an area here. So we'll get our plumb pole all plumbed up. Measure there, and then you'll just notice that you do have kind of a following line along that follows you around. So we'll just kind of go here, get to our other next point we want to measure, do that, move over again, get ourselves level, measure another point, and then we're going to go kind of near where towards the end here at the bottom. We'll measure this point, and then to close off that area, once you're finished measuring, you're just going to go into the that line menu at the bottom there and just hit point, and then we can just hit cancel out of that. Oh, sorry, no, we're going to have to go into there, hit point, then accept, and then that'll bring us back to the screen, and you'll see that it automatically closed out that area. So then all we have to do is we can just tap and hold on that line and select line information. And within this particular area, it does have all the different calculations that you might want, such as the length of the line, how the perimeter of it, that would be the slope length and the horizontal length, and the area there at the bottom. So relatively easy and straightforward. And just again, to sort of remind the steps, all you have to do is you hit that item in the lower right. You're going to go into a new line. You're going to name that line and just make sure that area is selected. So after you do that, you'll walk around, measure each of your points, and then once you're done towards the end point of your line, you just enter into this again, go back to point, hit accept, and then that'll close out your line and leave you available to get that line information on that particular line there.